What is a catastrophic injury? Simply put, it's a severe injury that forever alters a person's life. These injuries can happen in various ways, from car accidents to medical mistakes. They often result in long-term or permanent disabilities, such as spinal cord injuries or traumatic brain injuries. In this video, we will explore the causes behind these devastating injuries, discuss the legal rights of victims, and explain how compensation can help alleviate some of the burdens they face. Catastrophic injuries can arise from various sources, each with its own set of risks and consequences. One common cause is accidents, such as car accidents, workplace accidents, and falls. These incidents often result in severe injuries due to the high force or impact involved. Car accidents, for example, can lead to traumatic brain damage or spinal cord injuries, especially in cases of high-speed collisions. Another significant cause of catastrophic injuries is medical malpractice. When healthcare professionals fail to provide the standard level of care, patients can suffer severe harm. Surgical errors, misdiagnosis, or medication mistakes can all result in catastrophic outcomes for patients. Sports injuries are also a notable contributor to catastrophic injuries, particularly in contact sports or activities with high physical demands. Traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, and severe fractures are among the potential consequences of sports-related accidents. Additionally, violence and assault can lead to catastrophic injuries, including gunshot wounds, stabbings, or severe beatings. These intentional acts of harm can cause devastating physical and psychological trauma to victims. Victims of catastrophic injuries possess fundamental legal rights designed to safeguard their well-being and provide avenues for seeking recourse. These rights encompass the capacity to pursue legal action against those responsible for their injuries and obtain financial compensation to mitigate the impact of their losses. This compensation often extends to covering medical expenses, compensating for lost wages, and addressing the profound emotional and physical suffering endured. Seeking legal counsel is crucial for victims, as it equips them with the knowledge and support necessary to navigate the intricacies of the legal system effectively. Personal injury attorneys can ensure that victims' rights are upheld and their interests protected throughout the legal proceedings. Moreover, understanding the statute of limitations is crucial for victims seeking legal redress. The legal time frame dictates the window within which individuals must file a lawsuit following the occurrences of the injury. Failing to adhere to this deadline can forfeit victims' rights to pursue legal action. This means having proper legal representation and guidance can make all the difference in the world when seeking restitution. When catastrophic injuries occur, victims often face not only physical challenges, but also significant financial and emotional burdens. Compensation can help alleviate some of these burdens by covering various aspects of the aftermath. Let's explore the different types of compensation available for victims of catastrophic injuries. Medical expense compensation includes reimbursement for hospital bills, surgeries, rehabilitation, medications, and ongoing medical care related to the catastrophic injury. This compensation ensures that victims can access the necessary treatments and therapies to facilitate their recovery and improve their quality of life. Victims may also receive compensation for lost wages due to time taken off work for recovery. Additionally, compensation for future earnings may be awarded if the injury results in long-term or permanent disability, limiting the victim's ability to work and earn a living. Compensation for pain and suffering aims to address the physical and emotional distress experienced by the victims as a result of the catastrophic injury. This type of compensation acknowledges the enduring pain, trauma, and diminished quality of life caused by the injury. Victims may be entitled to injury compensation to cover the cost of necessary accommodations to help them adapt to their disability. This can include modifications to their living environment, assistive devices, and transportation accommodations to improve accessibility and independence. Compensation for emotional distress acknowledges the psychological impact of catastrophic injury. This may include compensation for anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and other emotional challenges resulting from the injury and its aftermath. Understanding what a catastrophic injury is, its causes, and legal implications is essential for victims seeking justice and compensation. If you've suffered a catastrophic injury, don't hesitate to seek legal help and assert your rights. Contact BDIW Law today for compassionate and experienced representation.